Okay, it was brought to my attention that I totally forgot to show you how to do the feet on this beautiful little possum. So I just did a little sample of the back end, and all the feet are the same, absolutely are the same. But I want to show you how to do it, obviously, because you need to know. For the feet, I did use a 2.75 millimeter crochet hook for the feet. So the feet are done in a specific way, okay? Excuse me. You always want to land where you start on the inside of the body, like whatever's pointing. Excuse me, my throat. I'm pretty sure I'm not sick. I just don't know what's going on. All right, so because of that, you want to always start on the outside. So for this one, we'll start on the outside, meaning we have to turn it around. Okay, and start on the outside because you crochet from right to left. All right, and then on the other one, it's the opposite side. So remember that. I'm going to show you one foot, but the theory applies from the front feet and the back feet. So you always want to start on the outside of the project with the feet. Okay, that's first thing first. And in case you guys want to know, the feet, I am using loops and threads, and it is called cotton candy. But you use what you want, and I did use a lighter weight for the feet, a 3, okay? So, starting on the outside, remember, that's what's important. You need to start on the outside, and plus, that allows your stitches, your back side of your stitches to be on the bottom of the project too. All right. So, we need to get 6 stitches across here, evenly. So I'm going to just go into the first stitch here. Do your best, guys. All right. I'm going to go through, and I am going to chain 1. Now, I am going to try to attach this to the original video, but I think I'm also going to leave it as a separate entity. So in case people just want that one piece so they don't have to go through the whole video, I'm going to see how I can do it. Guys, people think I'm very technical with these videos. All this time, I mean, I'm learning a lot of things, but I'm not perfect at doing the videos yet. So please bear with me with that, okay? So I'm going to spread apart, put in 2 single crochets right here. Like I said, we need 6 single crochets. 2, 3, 4. Now you can put 2 in each stitch, spread them apart where it looks even for you. It's all about how the stitches lay. It really is. Okay. All right. So now that we're going to turn, do not chain 1. All right. Do not. Did I do 6? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So you're going to put in 1 single crochet in every stitch. So you're going to still stay at 6. And get that last stitch. 6. And turn again. Do not chain 1. And again, put in your 6 single crochets. 1. Make sure I'm not going off camera for you guys. 2. 3. 4. 5. And 6. And as you can see, I landed on the inside of the project, exactly where I wanted to. Now you are going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then slip stitch, and every stitch going down. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go into your next stitch, not the one you came out of, the next one, and slip stitch. Chain 6 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then you slip stitch down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slip stitch to your next stitch. Chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Slip stitch down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slip stitch to your next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And again, 1, slip stitch and down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And slip stitch to your next stitch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we're slip stitching down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then slip stitch to your last. Okay, and then what I do is I slip stitch down the side of his foot all the way to the base. And then I chain 1 and cut and weave in. And that is how you do his piggy toes. And again, guys, I'm sincerely sorry that I missed this on the video. It was an extremely long video. I can't believe I missed this crucial part because his feet is what makes them. So here you go. My name is Ronnie. I work with Maggie to bring you these crochet tutorials. Enjoy. I can't wait to see your finished project. Please join us on TikTok, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and join us on Facebook because we want to see what you guys are making. Even if it's not one of our videos, we want to see it. Bye-bye.